Hello there. Welcome to Spaceship Pro. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up shipping automation. Let's get started. First, click Settings in the navigation bar, and then select Shipping Automation. Once you're in Shipping Automation section, click on Add New Rules to begin creating your customized shipping rules. When creating a rule, a clear name and description are crucial for easy management. For instance, if you're automating order imports to the US and Canada with UPS, name your rule accordingly. Now, let's set up your conditions and actions. Here's how. Step 1. Conditions. Select the specific orders you want to target. In this case, focus on orders with the route set to the United States and Canada. Click Add to apply these conditions. Step 2. Actions. Decide where these orders should go or what they should do next. For our example, act on the carrier service. Specify that all orders bound for the United States and Canada should use UPS as the carrier service. After configuring, double-check your conditions and actions. Click Create, and you're good to go. Congratulations, your shipping automation has been successfully set up.